Alright guys, a very interesting day. So I want to let you guys know that I'm having a huge misfire on cylinder 3. Let me go back here. It's only at idle or startup, so I want to show you guys the codes here. Misfire related, and then misfire cylinder 3 detected. So I reset the ECU yesterday. It ran fine, but now we're back to this again. I'm actually taking a look into the KS noise cylinder 3. This thing has been moving a lot, and I know I just went back and forth, but this was up to like 96 at startup. So, but I don't know, it's just weird because at wide open throttle the car feels fine. It's just that at startup it feels like it's about to die. So we are going to go for a quick cruise just around the block a few times just to see how the car reacts to on limp mode here. So I'm going to be driving just the way it is, just to see what I can diagnose driving with the check engine light on. Alright, let's get out. Let's see how this car is. I got the windows rolled down because I want to make sure I hear everything that's coming from the motor. Drives normal. It's so weird. We're gonna go to this back road where I always go, so we're gonna have this back road real quick. I wanna see what's up. Is that a shoot. Not going that way. I don't know. know you're not supposed to beat on the car on like this, but I'm not throwing any counts on. I'm not throwing any misfire counts on wide open throttle. It's just that it's a set at startup. This is so weird. right here too. Let it rip right here. Oh, whoop. Gotta be careful on this one. In case you guys are wondering, I am tuned on speed density. But man, this is weird as heck. I'm beating on this car. Nothing on fine knock, nothing on the dam, nothing on nothing on feedback knock. Air fuel sensor ratio is fine. I don't know. I'm not throwing any counts on the wide open throttle poles. I'm gonna have to I'll pause the video from here, but what I'll do is I'll crank up the car again and let it cool down and do another cold start, and I'll show you guys what happens to roughness cylinder 3 when I start it up, because this thing bogs out and feels like it's gonna die at startup. So I'll showcase you guys that. All right, what's up guys? I pulled cylinder 3. Looks normal to me. I'm not seeing anything. I'm actually gonna replace with a new one, and then we'll go from there. See how everything works from there. All right, let's go ahead. I also disconnected the battery. So the only spark plug that I changed was the cylinder 3. So I just want to see what's going to happen from here. There's still, like I said, there's... Let me show you guys. So there was a 5 count on cylinder 3. I'm gonna let it warm up and see if anything else comes back. Matter of fact, I might as well monitor roughness cylinder 2 at the same time. Like I said, I'm not so sure if this was gonna solve the issue. I'm gonna have to email Corbin again about this, so it's just kind of weird. But yeah, so I'm just gonna end the video from here. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna keep you guys updated once I figure this issue out. If it is internal, then like I said, I'm gonna do a compression test and a leak down test to see if we might have something wrong with the valves or the timing or whatever it is. So, but hopefully, I hope it's not that, but we'll find out later on. What's up, guys? So this is from cylinder 1. I'm really not liking what I'm seeing here. And cylinder 3 was the one that was throwing the roughness cylinder. That's so weird. Holy crap. This is from cylinder 3 and this is from cylinder 1. Notice the difference. Wow. Oh no. Now I'm really thinking about pulling out cylinder 2 and 4 spark plugs just to see. This is crazy. Let me know what you guys think. So I figured I'd show you guys on the new startup. So nothing's solved. It's fine right now, but I'm pretty sure the check engine light's gonna come right back on again. And I just want to be clear with you guys. Like I said, like I don't really know what the problem would be, so I would have to diagnose a little bit more. There was, like I said, that cylinder 3 had oil, so I apologize for the mistake, mistakenly looking at the wrong firing order. So the first one I pulled was 1, and then the second one I pulled was cylinder 3 on the spark plug with the oil on it. So like I said, just gonna have to talk to the tuner and see what I can find and diagnose from there. Like I said, I mean, I don't have issues going wide open throttle, but then I don't really want to go any more any further of ruining the internals of the engine as well. And so, but we'll see what happens for next week here.